Hey everyone, it's Courtney aka Courtney back with another video. For today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I achieved this look, both hair and makeup. I'm going to my friend's birthday party later tonight. She is turning 25, which is her golden age, therefore she wanted a gold theme party. Basically, we gotta look like we were dipped into 24 karat gold and then just rolled on over to her house. So that is what we went for today. And then stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to be showing y'all some footage of my friend's birthday party. She throws such elaborate birthday parties. Last year she did a Lisa Frank birthday party, which was so beautiful. Today it might rain, so she might have to move it inside, but either way it's gonna be super gorgeous, and I will give y'all a glimpse of her magic in action, honestly. So stay tuned for that as well. I have a vision of kind of what I want to do. These are my inspiration pictures that I have going on right here. I'm going to base it off of this. First, I'm going to put down this pretty shimmery bronzy gold and lay that down on my lid. See, it's nothing too different. It's just a really nice shimmer. Next, I'm going in with my Lime Crime Winter Lights palette. I got this last Christmas, after Christmas, because it was on sale. Just a pro tip, get your stuff after the holidays for yourself. It's gonna be cheaper. And it's like these colors aren't that Christmassy. It's just the packaging design that's really Christmassy. So I'm going in with this brown and this taupey brown. So it's called Mittens in Slade. So I'm just gonna mix a little bit of each because I don't want the brown to be that dark. And then I'm going in above my crease right here. And then I'm just gonna blend that out. This is gonna create a depth for when I put the chunky glitter on, so that way there's more contrast with the glitter. Okay, so I just blended those two browns above my crease and then just blended them out. Took it out a little bit on the sides. All right, now this might seem a little weird, but I'm gonna use my brow pencil and actually use it on my face. I just wanna draw out where I'm gonna be putting my glitter for the glitter wing. So I'm just going to use this. I mean, it's all meant for your face anyway, so I think it should be okay. I've done this before when I wanted like a brown eyeliner and didn't have any. Okay, so I went ahead and sketched those wings with my eyebrow pencil. It doesn't have to look that great, just kind of roughly drawing where you want the glitter to go. Next, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in 24 karat gold. It's really nice and gold, like bright gold, which is what I was hoping for. So I'm gonna be drawing in those wings with this glitter, and when it gets to like the center here, that's when you kind of start blending it out. And this is where you adjust the wing shape as needed. Both eye glitter wings are done, and I am gonna use my finger to sort of blend this glitter out, just so that the edges aren't super rough and to kind of give it more of that organic feel. Before we get into the chunky glitter, I want to go ahead and do my eyeliner for my top lid, and I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This one's okay. The bristles ended up doing this thing. Moving on to the fun part. Chunky glitter, yay! So this I just got off of Amazon, I think, like a long time ago, for when I went to festivals when they still existed. So I'm gonna be using it. There's like some orange flakes in there that I'm gonna still use it though, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, because we reduce, reuse, recycle Rihanna, alright? And I just vacuum, so it's gonna be okay. I already started putting the glitter on. So this glitter includes, I'm gonna close it and show you guys this way. This glitter includes like a flower pattern, circle, gold circles, and then these little orange circles. I just wanted to use the gold circles, so I went ahead I took my lash glue, made little dots, and applied the circles where I wanted them to go. So I went ahead and did that, and I'm putting on my mascara now. It is the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. And this mascara is the best. Okay, so mascara is done, and I'm just going in with this NYX Epic Wear liner stick and gold plated. And I'm just going in on my inner corner. So I also decided to go back in with the e.l.f. liquid gold glitter and go under my cat eye. I just did that on both sides, just to add a little bit more dimension. Another thing, I'm going to use this Let's Glow Liquid Illuminator by LA Girl. It was on sale at Target, so I'm just going to be putting some on my ring fingers. Spread that out evenly and pat it on. So for the lip, I'm going to go in with this, I believe it's Chi. I don't think it's Kai. I think it's Chi by Colourpop. It's like a brownie nude. And I like using my own brush because I find when I use the wand, it applies a lot, like a heavy coat, when I just kind of want like a light, thin layer. So I'm going to go ahead and line it and then fill it in with this brush as well. See? Nice. And even if I were to use this, it would just look really cakey. So that's it for makeup. Now we're gonna move on to the hair. I went ahead and took it down for my little bobby pins. So this is actually my natural hair. I just showered last night. So I went ahead and did a middle part. And the next thing we're gonna do is just make itty bitty braids all around sporadically. So I'll just take one here. The braids are done. I did like a couple all around. So the next thing that we're gonna do is grab some hair gel and I put on the back of my hand. We're gonna mix some glitter into it. So I'm gonna be using the same chunky glitter from earlier that I used on my eyes. I'm gonna grab some from the floor. Don't worry you guys, I vacuumed yesterday and today, so. And then you take any brush. You can use like the hair dye brushes. Those work probably better than this one. I just don't have one of those. Just gonna mix the glitter in. Oh my goodness, okay. You can either start with the hairline or the braids. It doesn't matter either way. We'll just start with the hairline. You just brush the glitter in there. Make sure your hairs are nice and flat so that you're not getting strays like that. Wow. So my inspiration with this was those head chains that go down the center and then like swoop around. But I saw one on Pinterest and it looked really pretty, but I didn't want to buy it and I didn't want to make it. So I just decided to kind of mimic the placement and the look of it. So I'm just putting some glitter on my braids. See that? Oh, you like that? Alright y'all, I'm just gonna do the finishing touches on my hair and makeup. If I need anything else or want to add anything, I'll put on my outfit and then show y'all the final reveal of what I'm gonna be looking like tonight at this gold themed party. hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it inspired you to maybe think about throwing your own little birthday parties or just celebrating in a really creative and expressive way. So I'll see you in the next one.